lights our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you, it made me think of you. Under a trillion stars, we danced on top of cars, took pictures of the stage, so far from where we are. They made me think of you, they made me think of you.
Dear beloved, we are gathered here in the sight of God and in the presence of this company to join together this man and this woman in the sacred estate of matrimony.
I see why she's fallen in love with you. I think you're a good person on the inside and out, and I'm happy that she's with you, and I know that she is in safe hands. Shanique, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You'll always be my best friend throughout everything that we've been through. Leon, I'm happy to welcome you as her husband.
Leon, you have won a great prize, my cousin. She's a sweet girl. She's very loving. She's very caring. She's very kind.
I just wanna be by your side. If these wings could fly.